Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is January 16th. Lighter news across the grains today, but we'll dive right in. We'll start with export sales. That's what's given the markets right now a little bit of a boost. We did have strong export sales for corn, expecting 300 to 500,000 tons. Came out at 821. So maybe those lows that we had last week, as we pushed lower, found some buyers, but pretty strong for corn. Beans 750 to 1.050 was the expectation. We came in at a 1.226, so strong there, better than expectations. And then for wheat, 350 to 600,000 came in at 401.9, so middle of the range, or right in the range, I should say. So neutral for wheat. Friendly on corn, friendly on beans. You've got corn right now up about 2.25 cents. Beans up 3.5 right now, and wheat up about 0.5 cent. Now, wheat led the way down yesterday. Some very disappointing trade. Still, I think, residual from the report that we had on Friday, but also a lot of talk of India having a huge crop over there. They had great monsoon rains. They're looking at great wheat, or a big wheat crop. Globally for wheat, we're just not tight. So that's weighing on the market once again. So we'll keep an eye on that. But right now the charts are very negative on wheat. We may end up seeing further declines yet. But as far as corn, light trade overnight. Maybe some short covering from the few days that we've had here. We've worked a little lower. Like I said, we found some decent demand here at lower levels, and we'll watch corn to see where we end up going. But overall, we're really going to stay in just a sideways range. Anything above for March 432 should probably be sold, whereas if you get down into this 420 area, you're probably going to see some support as well. Now, beans, a little stronger this morning, once again, continuing its strength. We've seen the strength, mostly the talk of South America. Argentina being dry. They are looking for about 2/3 of the country to get about 1/2 inch of rain or better as we move into next week. But what they're going through right now is we're seeing 100+ degree temps moving through certain areas and stressing the crop that's been stressed already, and continuing that. Now, after this rain event that we get next week, it is supposed to dry out again, but temperatures are supposed to remain a little bit lighter. We're not going to see 100-degree temps right now. At least it's not in the forecast yet. So looks like the temps may end up not as stressful as what we're seeing currently. But that rain certainly, we can use a drink out there is what it seems like, and 2/3 of the country looking at getting something here in the next week. Looking at some of the outside markets, you got the stock market down 33 right now. Gold up $2. Silver unchanged. The dollar down about 1.50 cents. Not a lot happening there. Very quiet. But as far as livestock, cattle, we're about 62 cents higher right now for Feb cattle. Very strong cash. So cash markets trading strong again yesterday. That talk continues. We've seen the prices. We've seen the cattle prices at a discount to where the cash has been trading. We saw that pick up very quickly yesterday, trying to come together a little bit more. But very, very good chart formations, new highs once again. Things look good. We'll see if we can sustain the rally that we have seen this week. We may get a little bit of profit taking, but right now, if the cash market stays strong, we're going to see cattle stay strong here as well. As far as hogs, down about 5 cents right now. We've seen some strength yesterday. We're still waiting to see if the cash market can turn around. You do have a big price difference between the cash hog index and that February contract. So as we get into the next few weeks, that's going to have to come together. But right now, you've got the futures sitting higher than that index. So we'll see. We need to get the cash market to turn around there to maybe bring in some new buyers. But we're going to go through just about everything that I've talked about today: corn, beans, wheat, cattle, hogs, as well as the weather at our conference that we're putting on right there in your home on your computer. We're doing this on a webinar. We're doing this as a webinar instead of having everyone come to Chicago. But that's coming up very quickly. 28th, 29th, 30th of this month. Give us a call. We'll get you registered for that. We're going to have the entire 2014 look for you and bring this information to you. So give us a call. It's a great way to start off the year and get registered for that. So you can do that either online or give us a call, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. Have yourselves a great day. I'll talk to you again tomorrow morning.